You guys, yeah, I'm telling
This
you.
is the top goes into the trunk.
Right.
But look here, you can see the whole engine. It's
Wow.
just like a Ferrari or
Oh
a
my
Ford
God.
GT.
That's serious, man. Yeah, this is a 2021
Yes.
Corvette.
The backup camera's way up there.
2021.
Not just the backup camera. That's your rear view mirror.
Right. Oh wow.
It doesn't have a mirror. It's a
Yeah, I get it.
It's a whole
yeah.
monitor.
Yeah. Oh wow. It's a 2021 Corvette, guys.
Oh, I'm sorry, 2020.
2020?
5,000 miles on it.
Wow. They made it like just like a Lambo. I mean, it looks like a Lamborghini. Yeah, from afar. Wow. That's beautiful. Is that a different type of model? Or 96? Wow. $100,000?
That's just base model.
Holy smokes.
I think they bumped it up to 480 horsepower.
Oh, wow.
That's just stock.
That thing is serious. It must fly. Wow. I like that. Oh my God. Are you serious? The engine is in the back. Wow. That's incredible.
That's how noisy it is.
Yo, yeah.
Just enough for a set of golf clubs.
Wow. That's the trunk. Oh my goodness. Oh my God. Look at the trunk space. There's no space. So what did they put in the front? If they got.
It's just like
Oh
a Porsche,
my
though.
God.
Porsches don't have much either.
Right. So you can store anything in there, or is that?
Can't smuggle anybody into the drive-in.
Oh my God.
It's all that high-strength plastic.
Yeah. So what does it sound like? Does it has a?
No,
Yeah.
I don't even know.
Oh my God. Is that nice? Yeah, sick. Let's see what the inside looks like. Oh, them things getting in and out is a real problem. That's power. That's power. For $100,000, you better make some noise.
You better say, "Here I come."
Oh my God.
And then once the oil pressure comes up,
Yeah,
the
it
noise
drops.
goes down.
That's nice. Wow.
Tires
Let me see the dash. See, that's the dashboard over here. 2020 Corvette. Let's see. Yeah.
See that?
It's like a back. Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah, it's so low. It's like
it's low.
I always call him a coffin. So,
Yeah, 'cause
you
it's
get into a crash with
look
these
at that,
things.
it's only
Yeah.
7-8 inches off the ground.
I wonder what the features like. If you got into a crash or.
Well, it's got to pass all the crash tests. You know, for 2020.
Yeah.
It's got to have crumple zones.
Right. Wow.
You're not got to worry about the engine smashing in your feet.
Yeah, exactly. So, and they're still making the T-tops where the tops
Yeah, that's a
come off.
St-No cover they call it. So
Right.
that'll go.
Wow. That's a beauty, man.
I don't know how it comes apart.
Yeah.
Actually, this is the first time I've ever started one.
Sounds sick. Yeah, I like this here. It's a Vet. Yeah, Stingray.